Hi. Let's talk a bit about craters. Silver Pit Crater is a buried subsea structure under the North Sea off the coast of the island of Great Britain. The 20-kilometer crater-like form named after the Silver Pit, a nearby seafloor valley recognized by generations of fishermen, was discovered during the routine analysis of seismic data collected during exploration for gas in the southern North Sea sedimentary basin. Its origin as a meteor impact structure was first proposed and widely reported in 2002. It would be the first impact crater identified in or near Great Britain. Yeah, the first one, which also indicates it would be the only one. Here we can see it in false colors, the impact structure. Impact. Here is like there. It seems to that there would be a little bit risen from the seafloor, and here is just flat. We just have those cracks in the floor. And Stewart and Allen's study suggests that at the time of its formation, the area was under 50 to 300 meters of water. Only 3 days before the announcement of the discovery of the Silver Pit crater, it had been suggested that seismic data from the North Sea would have a good chance of containing evidence of an impact crater. Given the rate of crater formation on Earth and the size of the North Sea, the expected number of impact craters would be 1. Okay. Let's hop to another side. Yeah, Lake Lappajärvi again. Is a lake in Finland in the municipalities, or whatever it is, Lapajärvi, Alajärvi ja Vimpeli. It is formed in a 23-kilometer wide, partially eroded meteorite impact crater. This one. Yeah, that's again a meteorite impact crater. Now I want to show you something what I probably showed already a few times, but check this out. Yeah, hopping over to Google Earth, checking out the, like, it's not really, isn't anything really visible here in the North Sea. Somehow you would expect you would see everything through its shallowness, but it's not so, for whatever reason. But that's Lake Lappajärvi, which is supposed to be the biggest impact crater of Finland. But I would say there's a much bigger crater visible here. Which is this one. And that's another ridge what you can see here. So I would say Lake Lappajärvi is really small compared to the big crater in Finland. And it's not uncommon, not even in our solar system. that we have a crater and then a line of craters, like here and here. You can follow the whole line which goes there. Electromagnetic discharge events. So I propose that a huge area of Finland is a crater. And if it's an electric discharge event or whatever, this kind of event which creates new things, petrifies whatever there is, vaporizes whatever there is, melts, fuses together, like whatever you will find there. Is it rock, forests, animals, or everything together? Doesn't matter. The amount of energy induced is so big it will transform everything what is there. And there is like here on the edge of the crater, on the northwestern side, there's a mine. There are like mines everywhere on the edge of that crater. Mines here, mines here. I'm not sure, but there are some mines also in this area. Yeah, it's a small one, or two small ones, close to the edge. This might be just some ponds. Yeah. Is there any mining operation going on? This might be some wood processing plant or whatever. I'm just saying. I propose that this is one of Europe's largest, like how they call it, meteorite impact crater. I call it plasma discharge crater. Like, if you follow the edge of that, that's the plasma rock side, where we have craters. Watch. Yeah, that's the crater at the plasma rock side. And I hope you noticed how professionally I kept this thing hanging there, disturbing the picture. But that's the crater. It has similar features. And that's about the edge of the crater. And this part here of the rock, it's in a way smooth. It's not rocked. But it has similar features, like you can see in the bigger picture of Finland, like satellite. No, probably. There, hopefully you can see it somehow. It's in a way smooth, this. And I want you also to notice the craters in the craters. There are thousands of them. I don't know about any worm or whatever who would make holes in stone. Like, it looks like there would have been some worms eating, but they're just like small craters. Yeah, check it out. I noticed. And all of a sudden we got a better picture. I probably should make a new video once. In a different light, because every time we go there it looks different because of the light circumstances I find. Yeah, this is one of the craters I discovered. And this is how it happened. A lightning strike, electrical magnetic discharge. And I was pondering about if there's no quartz in those rocks where those electric discharge events happened. So, and I was wondering if it just vaporized and formed this kind of gas field what you need when you weld. I don't know. I'm not a scientist or a chemist. Actually, if you look closely, here's the crater. I drew it to the side because I wanted to keep the crater visible. And there could be a really good possibility that here is one, another one here, and also here, which would be a line of craters, which is something that we find in or on the moon, Mars, or wherever you go in our solar system, and probably further out. There's many, many more of them. Yeah, I leave it here. A lightning strike out of the blue sky.